For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a deck-building business can be a rewarding venture, combining craftsmanship with entrepreneurship. With the rise of artificial intelligence, many tasks involved in launching and managing a business can now be simplified or enhanced using free AI tools. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of starting your deck-building business using accessible AI technologies to help you plan, market, and operate effectively. Whether you have prior experience or are new to the construction industry, leveraging AI can give you a competitive edge without upfront costs. Step 1. Research and understand the deck-building market. Begin by researching your local market to understand demand, competition, pricing, and customer preferences. Use AI-powered search and data aggregation tools like Google Search and Google Trends to find insights on popular deck styles, materials, and pricing in your area. You can also utilize ChatGPT to ask for market research summaries. Suggested prompt for ChatGPT. Provide a detailed overview of the deck-building market in your location, including common deck styles, average pricing, and customer preferences. Step 2. Develop a business plan using AI assistance. A solid business plan is the foundation of your business. Use ChatGPT to help you create a comprehensive plan that includes your business model, services offered, target market, competition analysis, startup costs, and financial projections. Suggested prompt for ChatGPT. Help me create a detailed business plan for a deck-building company targeting residential customers in your location. Includes sections on services, marketing strategies, startup costs, and expected revenue. For financial modeling, you can use Google Sheets along with AI-powered formulas or templates to estimate costs, profits, and cash flow. Step 3. Choose a business name and create branding. Your business name and branding should resonate with your target audience and reflect your craftsmanship. Use AI naming tools like Namelix or Shopify's business name generator to brainstorm creative and available business names. Suggested prompt for Namelix. Generate business names for a deck-building company that sound professional and trustworthy. For logo creation, use free AI graphic design tools such as Canva, which offers AI-assisted design suggestions and templates. You can input your brand colors and style preferences to get logo concepts quickly. Step 4. Register your business and handle legal requirements. Research your local regulations for business registration, licensing, and insurance required for construction-related services. AI cannot replace legal advice, but can help you find relevant information. Use ChatGPT to get an overview of the typical requirements for a deck-building business in your area. Suggested prompt for ChatGPT. What licenses and permits are typically required to start a deck-building business in your location? Once you have the necessary information, complete registration through your government's online portals. Step 5. Design your service offerings and pricing strategy. Define the types of decks you will build, wood, composite, multi-level, etc., and the range of services, design, construction, repair. Use ChatGPT to assist in outlining detailed service descriptions and pricing models based on materials and labor costs. Suggested prompt for ChatGPT. Outline different deck-building service packages and a pricing strategy suitable for a startup company targeting residential clients. Consider including add-ons like custom railings, lighting, or staining. Step 6. Create marketing materials and a website. Use AI-powered copywriting tools like ChatGPT to write engaging marketing content, including website copy, social media posts, and email newsletters. Suggested prompt for ChatGPT. Write a homepage introduction for a deck-building business emphasizing quality, reliability, and customization. For website building, free platforms like Wix or WordPress offer AI-assisted website design features to create professional-looking sites with minimal technical skills. To design promotional graphics or social media posts, return to Canva's AI tools to generate attractive visuals that maintain your brand consistency. Step 7. Build an online presence and use social media marketing. Establish your business profiles on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Nextdoor, where local homeowners look for home improvement services. Use AI to plan and schedule posts using tools like Buffer or Later, free tiers available. Suggested prompt for ChatGPT. Create a 2-week social media content calendar for a deck-building business, including post ideas, captions, and hashtags. You can also use ChatGPT to draft responses for common customer inquiries to speed up your communication. Step 8. Generate leads and network with AI support. Find potential customers by joining local community groups online and networking with real estate agents, landscapers, and home improvement stores. Use AI to help draft personalized outreach emails or messages. Suggested prompt for ChatGPT. Write a professional introduction email to real estate agents to propose a partnership for deck building services. Leverage LinkedIn with AI-generated profile optimization and messaging to connect with relevant professionals. Step 9. Manage projects and customer relations. Once you start receiving inquiries, use AI-driven CRM tools such as HubSpot CRM's free version to track leads, schedule appointments, and follow up with clients. ChatGPT can help draft quotes, contracts, and invoices. Suggested prompt for ChatGPT. Create a detailed project estimate template for a deck building job, including material, labor, and timeline sections. Stay organized by using Google Calendar with AI reminders and task management tools like Trello or Asana to track construction milestones. Step 10. Improve and scale your business. Continuously gather customer feedback and use AI sentiment analysis tools like Monkey free tier available, to analyze reviews and improve service quality. Use ChatGPT to generate ideas for expanding your service offerings or marketing strategies. Suggested prompt for ChatGPT. Suggest innovative ways to expand a deck-building business and attract more residential clients. As your business grows, consider integrating more advanced AI tools for cost estimation, 3D deck design visualization, or automated customer service chatbots. Conclusion. Starting a deck-building business today can be streamlined and more efficient thanks to the power of free AI tools. From market research and business planning to marketing and project management, AI can assist you in every step without the need for significant upfront investment. By harnessing these technologies, you can focus on delivering quality craftsmanship while growing a successful enterprise. Embrace AI as a valuable partner to maximize your chances of success in the competitive deck building market. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.